Today, we are at my newest listing in the vibrant neighborhood of White Center. Located between West Seattle and Burien, this area is known for its diverse dining, local shops, and easy access to downtown Seattle. And with its urban-suburban mix, this home offers a perfect blend of convenience, character, and charm. As soon as you walk in, you will be greeted with a cozy and inviting space that feels just like home. This charming 3-bedroom, 1-bath has been thoughtfully updated with a new roof, fresh paint, modern flooring, new siding, and windows that fill the home with lots of natural light. Outside, this lot offers endless possibilities, including the potential to build a DADU for extra income or have your dream garden. And with easy access to downtown Seattle, this home truly has it all.